Hey y'all, I'm scared to vlog, but we are about to get our kits today and I'm gonna record a little bit of it because I gotta update y'all on some stuff too. So this is gonna be a long video.
Every single thing that's in there. Okay.
Sorry y'all. Hey y'all, my phone is on 10%, so let's hurry this up. First things first. It actually creeps me out a little bit. Like, it actually creeps me out. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I gotta get used to that thing though. Okay. We have green stuff, which is facial cleansing gel. Splash, which is a toner. We have a jade roller facial massage roller. Here's what it looks like, and it tells you how to use it in a little box. So cute. And we have our little backpack, which I won't be showing you the front because it does have our name on it. I mean, like our school name. I don't know. T-shirts. I got 2 t-shirts and an apron that's also branded. So just use your imagination. Okay. T-shirts, eyebrow set, a cleansing brush pad, and makeup brushes that we're gonna get tomorrow are supposed to come with that. Then we have some products. This is for Zit oil control moisturizer. This is for like acne prone skin. Everything that says Zit on it is for acne prone skin, I believe. We have that. We have Zit treatment, destroys it, an eyelash applicator kit with like just the tools in there. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys briefly our high frequency, is this backwards? High frequency unit. It basically comes with like, here I'll show you, all of these things. It's glass and it has a bunch of different types, and you put it on this thing and you plug it in, and you put it in like this, and then it like, what is it? I don't know. We didn't learn exactly about everything yet. You can do this one with like for your hair. It's to help like hair growth and help stimulate your scalp, exfoliates dead skin, and like these can help with pimples. So like it'll be buzzing, like it's like a zapper. I don't know what it's like current, electric current. I don't know yet. Anyways, that's what this is for. It's called high frequency. It's fucking high frequency. That's what it is. Yep, I'm just dumb right now, you know, still new. Don't come for me yet. This is only my 3rd week of school. I feel like this needs a bigger case too, but it's okay. Put it back. Oh, I'm gonna keep the paper with it just in case. I don't know. It's like the freaking wires over here. Oh, I forgot to put the paper in it. Hold on, y'all. Dang it, this is a freaking hassle. And then we have in this box is called a Woods lamp. I haven't opened it up yet, but basically what it does is it's a skin analyzer lamp, and it's like, if you don't know what it looks like, it's like a drape. You put a black drape over it. It's like a black light, and you drape it over your client's face, and then you look into it, and depending on what colors you see on the face is like, it could be oily, dead skin cells, bacteria. It's just a lot of different things that you can see under the what is it called? Black light? Is that what it's called? What did I just say? So yeah, so that can help you identify the skin type of your client so that you can know what treatment to do. Period. Love that. I actually need to bring this to school tomorrow, so I cannot forget it to pack it, because they said that most of the stuff we're not going to need every single day, so we don't need to bring everything every single day. Like our mannequin head, we don't need to bring that girl every day. So she's gonna be going in the closet. But anyways, next. Then we have a huge bag full of products. These are like really huge cotton swab Q-tip things, cotton tipped applicators. And then we have sponges and these applicators. I don't really know what this is for. We haven't used sponges yet, so don't know. But tomorrow we are doing a back facial, like back massaging, so maybe these will come into play tomorrow. Or back knee, I don't know. Like I said, I just started school. I'm still learning, so I don't know everything. We just got all this. Okay, here's Conquers It. This is a toner for oily / acne prone skin, I guess. This is Drench. It's a moisturizer. I need like to get a little basket to put all of this stuff in when I'm not using it. Anyways, this is called Intoxication. It's a caffeine blast. It doesn't say if it's like it's a cleanser, exfoliant, brighter, tightener, and mask for all skin types. Okay. And then we have our facial brush to put like toner on just to even it out with the skin. Oh, this is another Conquer Zit. That's like the brand, but it's called Mask Zit. This is a mask. That's pretty self-explanatory. Everyone knows what a mask is, right? Okay. Next is Masquerade Mask. It's a different mask, I guess. This is for the acne. All the green is for acne prone skin, and these are just for like, I guess, regular. Not sure. Again, it's a learning, don't come for me. And then we have small, it actually says sponges, but I thought that these were like little gauze. I don't know if they're sponges or gauze, but I'm not gonna open it yet because I don't need it. But we have just little tiny things, basically to take product off of the skin, and yeah, you throw these away after one use. Like these little papers, you gotta throw them away after one. You can't disinfect them, obviously. And then we have a bigger version of this. These are like bigger pads, kind of like the size of a napkin, so that you can really get the face, like get this product off a little bit faster, and it's less precise, I guess. If you use the smaller ones, you can get into like crevices, but this one as well, you can just like wrap it. I just wrap it on my finger and then like get it in the crevices and make sure everything's off. Anyways, whatever you prefer. I don't know why this is getting a haul. This is not a review. I don't know why I'm trying to act like it's a review. This is exfoliation. Exfoliate? What's it called? Exfoliator? I'm getting tired, okay, if you can't tell. But this is called Nitty Gritty. It's exfoliant. I think that's the word, exfoliant. Okay. And then, I thought I was done with all this. This is acne cleanser in the little bottle. Okay, period. So I'm just gonna keep everything in here. I'm gonna try to. I'm not using any of it yet. And that is all that we got, actually, I believe. Yeah, and then that's everything. We didn't get as much as I thought that we were going to. We just got a lot of facial products, really. Not anything to like tint lashes, do eyebrows, nothing to wax. I'm assuming that we're just gonna have to buy all of that stuff ourselves, which is fine, but would have liked for at least a little bit of it to be in there so I can try it out. But you know, it is what it is. So, alright. So, anyways, guys, that was the haul. Now let me talk to you guys a little bit about what I've been up to. I know I said I was going to be vlogging like a lot, like every single day, but I kind of forgot that I said that, and I have not been doing so. So I just want to say sorry about that. I've been in school. This is my 3rd week, so the week just started for week 3, and it's been a lot. Let's just say that they're throwing a lot of information at us. We're doing a lot of skills, and then like the next day we do bookwork, and then the next day we do both, and it's just like a lot. We have a lot of homework, and then I have to go to work after school. It's a lot. Okay, so you get it. But I do plan on, we already get content for our beauty pages, which here, so I need to just start like combining my beauty page content with my vlog, and I'm gonna bring my tripod in tomorrow, maybe even my tripod and my ring light, so we can everybody in my group can get some good quality lighting, you know, content, and I can get some good YouTube content for y'all. But I don't know, it's been really good. It's been really fun. Having all this stuff makes me even more excited because now I can practice at home and on people that I know, people have already asked, and yeah, I'm very much excited. And after, so like I said, I'm on week 3. After week 6 we transfer into phase 2, so then we're gonna start doing more hands-on and taking clients and everything like that at school. So I'm very excited. And if y'all haven't noticed, I got my eyebrows waxed, tinted, laminated the other day. My lashes are lifted and tinted. I got my mustache waxed, and at first, y'all, my skin was doing terrible. My skin did not like all this happening to me, and it's still kind of not liking it, but I'm eating it up. I told y'all I was gonna look prettier now that I'm in beauty school. But anyways, yeah. So more content to come. Just keep bearing with me. Let me know any video ideas that you guys want to see in the comments down below, and I will try my best to make them. I know I'm not very consistent on here, but I am trying my best to be. Okay. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification button so you can get notified every time I post. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.